Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Green and Black's organic dark chocolate Easter egg. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Green and Black's organic dark chocolate Easter egg, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And on the side of the box there is some information about the dark chocolate Easter egg, and it has a weight of 165 grams, and some information about the packaging as well. And now taking a look at the back of the box packaging. There is some information about the organic dark chocolate Easter egg being medium in size and containing 70% cocoa content. And taking a look at the opposite side of the box packaging. Some further details of the Easter egg and its ingredients list. As well as the nutrition information. And taking a look at the underside or bottom of the box. And now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the bottom of the box packaging to reveal the Green and Black's organic dark chocolate Easter egg. And let's take it out from the box, and we can close the box back up and set it down and to the side. So just going to set it on the right hand side of the tabletop and just setting the egg in the middle of the frame or table, so you have a clear and unobstructed look at this Green and Black's dark chocolate Easter egg, being made with organic and Fairtrade dark chocolate. And now taking a much closer in look, and of course to give you some sense of its size, resting it in my palm to give you some perspective as well, and lightly cupping it. So taking a much closer in look now, and of course top down, and of course it is wrapped in this wine colored foil to keep it fresh and protected. So right there, giving you a 360 rotation of this Easter egg, and of course the bottom and top, and just one more look further out. And now let's go ahead and open it up by peeling back the wine colored aluminium foil to reveal the dark chocolate Easter egg. So right there, the organic and Fairtrade Easter egg. And of course let's lift it out from its foil packaging, and I'm just going to set the foil to the side for now so it doesn't obstruct or interfere as we focus on the egg itself. So giving you a look at this egg, so you can see it does have a dark brown coloring with its 70% minimum cocoa content and taking a look top down, and at the bottom of this organic dark chocolate egg. And we can see on the side that there is the join line for the two halves of this chocolate egg, and can give you a full rotation there, and of course giving you a look this way as well. So this egg has 165 gram weight, and just going to tap on it to give you an idea of the design and structure of this egg. And now let's go ahead and crack it open, and doing so gently right there, and taking a look right there, as you can see the Easter egg and the texture of it and the coloring inside. And just going to lift a bigger piece up so you can take a look at the shell of the egg and its thickness. It's right there, trying to focus on the side of the Easter egg, so you can see the thickness of the shell and the consistency of the chocolate. So the inner side having a very smooth texture, and of course the outer side having the textured geometric molding for its design. Alright, now let's go ahead and break a smaller piece off and taste it. So that piece of Green and Black's organic dark chocolate Easter egg has a slightly bitter taste, but very buttery and creamy at the same time. Now let's taste a larger piece. So I'm going to break a larger piece from this and taste it. So once again, a very smooth, creamy and mildly bitter taste to the dark chocolate. So that's the Green and Black's organic dark chocolate Easter egg. Thanks for watching and happy eating!